Riri muciĩ munene wa kaunti ya Laikipia utanyitwo guthamio kuma Nanyuki nginyagia Rumuruti. Kuri na mwihoko wa tauni ya Rumuruti gukura na gikiro kinene kuona utonga wa tauni iyo ni ukwandaduka. Undu umwe na aria makoragwo na tabarĩra cia waki kunyihirio ngarama ya MIAKO ya nyumba. O ni kumana na gukorwo kambuni ya Guthia iria ni ya guthia mahiga undu umwe na muthanga nirikitie kurugurio mwena ucio wa Rumuruti neria ikarire eka 50 cia mugunda na oho iri no hoti wa guthia tani 150 ya muthanga na mahiga ihinda-ini ria ithaa rimwe. Tabarĩra iria ihuritwo njeki ni bengi ya Italy na Family Bank ya guku bururi-ini.
The plant, as you have seen, has both the primary crusher, which is doing concrete for houses and bridges, and secondary unit, which is doing tarmac, to produce aggregate to meet both sectors of construction.
Ninde twetugiretio na njira nene ni atongoria ngurani a kaunti ya Laikipia, matongoretio ni gavana wa kaunti yo Nderitu Muriithi, udumwe na mutabariri wa mihango ministry ya iganda na wonjoria Lawrence Karaja, aria makenereire mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi a mwena ucio aria matanyitwo kwandikwo wira kambuni-ini iyo.
Vijana watafutwe na wako wengi Nyandarua imesemekana, na hata Laikipia wako na Nakuru wako. Because look, why would an officer refuse to provide the tax incentive that is in the law, provided already in the law?
Nyonjoro, you are a big contributor to the Big Four agenda by this setting up this factory, because there are two areas you are going to contribute. One, of course, is the manufacturing, and second, the affordable housing. By setting up this factory here, the cost of construction of houses will go down.
Kwa ihinda iraya thirikari ya kaunti no ndumwe na muingi uria ukoragwo na tabarĩra cia MIAKO mambikaga thabarĩ guthie kugira indo cia waki kaunti-ini ingi ta kaunti ya Nakuru. Thirikari ya kaunti no ikiranira kunyita guoko aigithia aria mari na matanya ma gukuria kaunti no hamwe no toga bayo.
We want to persuade you to follow Nyonjoro. Let us invest in ourselves. Manake investor ni sisi. It is not just the foreigner. Investor ni sisi tukiwa kwa nchi yetu. And I agree na wale wamesema tujiamini kama wa Kenya.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.